Welcome all to yet another video, Dr. RS and you, on the science of cosmetics and personal care products. If you type Ramesh Surya, Suria, Narayanan in the YouTube videos, you can get all my videos regarding this topic. And my email ID is rameshasnarayanan@gmail.com. Right. So today we are in part 91. We will have a brief discussion on eye cosmetics. Right. So in part 91, specifically, I want to discuss about eye cosmetics introduction. So this part only deals with introduction on eye cosmetics, right? Eyes are the dominant features of the face, especially during conversation. They reflect emotional states as well as being indicative of our health, right? Parts of the eye cosmetic products used are eyebrow, eyelids and eyelashes. Eyebrow, thick and delicate hairs above eyes to prevent water, sweat or other debris from dropping down into the socket of the eye. Important to facial expression and human communication, these eyebrows. Eyelids, thin layer of skin on outer surface to protect the surface of the eyes from injury. Protect eyes by blinking if foreign matter, dirt, dust or debris come too close to the eyes, and bright light that will be harmful to the eyes. It will immediately start blinking or closing. Helps to maintain the moisture of the eyes, help to moisten the eyes. Eyelashes gives additional protection to eyes. Filter foreign matter like dirt, dust, debris or dandruff and prevent them from falling into the eye surface, right? So eyebrows, eyelids and eyelashes. Modern eye makeup products include eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliners, right? Let us see a picture of the eye, right? This is a picture of the eye, right? So this is the eyebrows. Eyebrow pencils are used, eye pencils. Then these are the eyelashes, right? These are the eyelashes, mascara and artificial eyelashes, right? These are the eyelashes, right? So mascara and artificial eyelashes products are used in eyelashes, right? Then this is the base of the lower and upper. This is the base of the lower eyelash. This is the base of the upper eyelash. Eyeliner, and traditionally in India we call it as kajal, and eyeliner are used in the base of the lower and upper eyelashes. See, this is the base of the lower eyelash, this is the base of the upper eyelash, right? This is the upper eyelid, this is the lower eyelid. Eyeshadow is used. In the upper and lower eyelids, eyeshadows are used. These are the other parts of the eye, iris, and the middle one, pupil. It's called pupil, pupil, and this black is iris. So this is the parts of the eye and where the major parts of the eye and where the cosmetics specifically are used. Cosmetics are used in eyebrows, eye pencil, eyelashes, mascara, eyeliner, kajal, base of the lower and upper eyelashes, lower and upper eyelids, eyeshadows are used. Clear? Right. Now, we'll see a brief on these things. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is used to give color and gloss to the eyelids, accentuate the shape of the eyes. The whole range of color is available from pure white through pink, blues, yellows, violet and purples to green and even black. This is the most fashion conscious area of decorative cosmetics. The popular shades varying with season and clothes that are in fashion at that time. Mascara. Colored pigments mixed with fats and waxes are used to enhance the appearance of eyelashes. Thickness and length of the eyelashes are enhanced by using suspensions of colored pigments in a film forming medium to which lengthening ingredients such as nylon flock are added. Right? That is the mascara. False eyelashes or extensions of mascara is becoming the latest trend throughout the world for creating bold and good looks. False eyelashes are used for modifying the length and thickness of the natural eyelashes to enhance the beauty. Right? Eyeliners. Eyeliners are formulated to contour the eyes by drawing a precise line at the base of the lower and upper eyelashes. We saw that. Eyeliners give the illusion of smaller or bigger eyes. Eyeliners are available in different forms like pencil, gel cream, liquid, cake and sticks. Pencils are also used to color eyebrows. Eyebrow pencil. Pencils are also used to color the eyebrows. The eyeliner pencils are little more softer than the eyebrow pencils. Right? This is the type of cosmetics. So, what are the requirements? Right? What are the requirements of eye cosmetics? Okay. Apart from regular product characteristics like stability, consumer choice on shade selection, you have to give more shades, good coverage and payoff properties. This we saw in the face powders. Long lasting, free from gritty particles, ideal rheological properties, right? The viscosity and spreading, no, ideal rheological properties, etc. The most important requirement of an eye cosmetic is safety. These are all, safety is very, very important for all the cosmetic products. But for eye cosmetics, it is the most important aspect because more stringent safety protocol than other cosmetic products has to be, safety protocol has to be more stringent. Raw material control is important in all cosmetics and toiletry products. It is even more important for ingredients that are to be used around the eyes. A contaminated product, if it enters the eye, can cause blindness. So great care must be taken in the choice of ingredients used and their handling. So eye cosmetics, this is a very, very important aspect. Right? Apart from the other regular cosmetics attribute. Right? Now, this is what I want to share with you in this video. In the subsequent videos, we'll discuss on the formulation aspects of each of the eye cosmetics like Mascara, we will have a part. The eyeshadows and eyeliners. We will have three more parts. Each the formulation aspect we can discuss. Thank you for connecting with me in this video. Till we get connected in the next video. Goodbye to you all. Be happy, be smiling, be safe. Thank you.